Do you know many people are having trouble with their Ninja CM401 coffee maker registering the correct cup or pot size? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Check water reservoir. Check the water reservoir. Ensure that it's filled to the appropriate level but not exceeding the max fill line. Step 2. Verify filter holder. Verify the filter holder and brew basket. Make sure the filter holder is properly placed and there are no obstructions. Step 3. Run calibration cycle. Run a calibration cycle. Press and hold both the CLA SSI C and OVERICE buttons until the clock displays CL. Step 4. Prime the system. Prime the system. Run 2 full Carafe classic brew cycles with water only and discard the water afterward. Step 5. Clean and maintain. Regularly clean and maintain. Clean the water reservoir, Carafe, filter holder, and permanent filter to ensure proper functioning. After following these steps, your Ninja CM401 should correctly register the cup or pot size, making your coffee experience smoother. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Ninja users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.